What are you doing? Was that cold? Is it cold on your belly?
I see.
What do you want to see? You gonna go night night? Hmm? Are you gonna go night night? Hmm?
Oh.
How come? Why don't you want to go night night? You tired? Do you want to go night night? How do you sleep? What do you sound like when you sleep? Do you go? Let me hear. Why are you so shy? Hmm? Do you love me? How much do you love me? So much? I can't hear you. How come you're not talking to me? Is it 'cause you don't know how to talk, right?
Mommy.
Who am I?
Mommy.
And who are you?
Me.
Who's you?
Felix.
Felix?
Hmm?
And who's in the other room?
Mimi.
And what's her real name?
Nico.
Nico. And who's your brother?
Purple.
He's at football. And what's his name?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Mhm.
Or what's your brother's name?
Yes.
Jet. Good job. What's Daddy's name? Huh? Bill?
Hmm?
Yeah. What's my name?
Mommy.
Yeah. What else? Yeah.
I told him.
Do you love Nico? Yeah. How much? Blow her a kiss for me. Can you count for me now? One, 2, 3, 4. What do you hear? You hear kids? Is it a monster? Where? Felix. We're just kidding. There's no monster.
Mhm.
No monster. Just Elmo. And,
Hello.
and Cookie Monster.
Come.
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi. Love you. Love you.